I think with Blackbird, one of the things that nobody else has that Blackbird does is the amount of hands-on experience. We really went deep into mixing live actual acts instead of just learning the theory behind it and then just getting shoved out there.
The Blackbird Academy is unique among schools. We have unbelievable equipment here at Blackbird. We're going to be in real working recording studios. At least 50% of the time is devoted just to hands-on recording with a small group of people in a top-notch professional recording studio. Our instructors are experienced and working professional audio engineers. We're not recent graduates of our own program. We've been working professionally for many years, and we are really striving to make this program the best possible program we can think of.
This is a place to be. There are no other places like it on the earth, and I would not take any amount of money for my experience that I had at Blackbird, and I honestly wish I could go back and do it again. It's Hogwarts for audio nerds. So.
We started this school with certain goals in mind. We want to give the greatest education in the shortest amount of time for the least amount of money possible. If you have a great attitude and you have passion about audio, we want you here. If you feel you're in this group, I hope you do end up at the Blackbird Academy, because that is exactly who we are looking for. So hopefully I'll see you there sometime. Thank you.